should change your name to
$1 Virgin. Guess what? Listen, I want you to imagine taking a pair of headphones like this, look, and put them in your ears and listening to music and getting paid $12. This is seriously $12 every single song that you listen to. Listen, like imagine just waking up in the morning and actually listening to music and getting paid in the process. Think about how many songs that you've listened to right now in the past 5 to 10 years and you've made $0. Playlistpush.com. Go there right now. Playlistpush.com. Now listen, maybe you've seen this site before or maybe you haven't, but please pay attention. Many people, they do this wrong. I've seen a couple of videos on YouTube of people showing this site here, and many people are getting declined. You know, it's not working for them because they're not paying attention and they're not giving you the secrets that I'm gonna give you in the video to do this very easily so you can make money. Like imagine leaving your job in the next 24 to 48 hours because you're making $3,000 a month. And listen, the great thing about this site here, if you want to listen to 20 songs a day, they will keep paying you over and over again. It's up to you, okay? So listen, they've been around for a little while here. It's usually for artists. And what happens is, you might say, well, Wesley, why would a person pay me money to do this? Like, I'm just a regular guy. I'm a regular girl, right? Listen, artists all around the world, they're trying to be the next Beyonce and the next Drake. They upload their music here and they're paying you to basically do a review for it. Okay, it's called a curator. And it's simple. It's powerful here. You have over 970 people plus that's already doing this. And what you're gonna do right now, we have over 23 million playlists and so many artists here that is on this site, and this is really for the person that like listening to music here. And if that's what you like to do, pay attention here, okay? So listen, I'm gonna keep this very, very easy. It's gonna be very, very simple to do, okay? What you need to do is click on the word that says for creators here, okay? Now, you're gonna click on Spotify playlist creators. Now listen, if you're a TikTok person, you can do TikTok too. But if you're not, like me, I was brand new, I'm a beginner, I listen to music, but I'm trying to get paid while I'm playing those tracks. Let's get it. Make sense? Hey, did you smash the like button? Because I already did a dance for you. So show me some, I'm talking to you. Show me some love, all right? Look at Spotify playlist here, okay? This is crazy, right? So see here, they're gonna pay you $12. This is legit here, $12 per song. You just listen to it, review it, done. You can, look, imagine doing this when you wake up, driving in your car, sitting on the toilet, taking a dump, and getting paid $12 every single time you do that, even at your job. This is just like some extra income here. While you should be doing your job, you could be listening to music because you're probably already doing that right now, aren't you? I know you are. Listen, so, and what I love about them is instant payouts. They pay you every single week, depending on the songs that you listen to over and over again. That's $12 every single song. And they pay out every single week. Are you getting excited right now? Smash the like button then if you have a smile on that face. I'm talking to you. Show me some love. Smash the like button here. Listen, because it gets better here. Now, all you need to do is go down here and say, sign me up. Too easy, right? Now, this is very important. This is why so many people fail right here at this moment. This is why so many people get denied. Listen, do exactly what I do. Irregardless of the country that you live in, right? I want you to do it the way that I'm going to show you. As you can see here, they cover all over the world. But what I want you to do is do it the way that I ask you to do, because I want you to get accepted and not get denied like a lot of people are getting denied on the site here. Does that make sense? So you go down here, United States of America, okay? I know United States, Canada, they all work, United Kingdom. These other countries, they may, but just choose United States. And no, it doesn't matter if you're not in the United States of America. What we're trying to do here is get approved. Does that make sense? We want to get this approved, because you don't get approved, then guess what? No money for you. No money, no honey, baby. All right, so I want you to get some dollars here. Look, all right, so I'm gonna scroll down here. No, I don't manage any playlists yet. Yes, you do. Just put yes, and I get it. You might say, Wesley, I don't have a playlist. Don't worry, I'm gonna give you a playlist. You don't even have to create your own, because I love you so much. See, in the comment section below, I notice that people say, Wesley, I love you because, one, you're crazy. Two, you're just giving this value for free. That's why I keep smashing the like button, because I want you to create more videos. That's why I'm sub to your channel now. And I said, okay, I appreciate that. Much love, right? Now listen, you got to put yes. And here, this is where many people screw up. You got to click on 1,000 to 10,000. If you click on 0 to 1, watch this. Denied, see? You'll be screwed up here. So the thing is, we want to do this correctly here. All right, so let's go back through the process again, and we want to make sure we don't get denied. So you put United States of America. And listen, this video is intended to show you everything from A to Z how to do it. I promise you, I'm with you here. All right, click on yes, click on 1,000, boom. See? You see that? Now you're in. Now listen, I want you to hold that screen, stay right here. Now, what I want you to do is create a free Spotify account. As you can see here, I already have a Spotify account right here. You need to create one for yourself, and you need to create a playlist. Now, let me show you why this is important, why you have to have 1,000. You must have 1,000 people that follow you on Spotify. And I know what you're thinking, Wesley, how do I get 1,000? I don't know 1,000 people. Even those people that follow me on Facebook and Instagram, I don't know these people. They're not gonna follow me. I don't have time. Listen, you don't have to go to Facebook. You don't have to go to Instagram. You don't have to go to Reddit. You don't have to go none of that stuff. I'm gonna show you just this easy, simple way on how we're gonna work together, and I'm gonna make it happen for you right now. Are you with me? Okay, great. So what you do is this. You're gonna open up a Spotify account. You're gonna go to this playlist. I'm gonna put a description of that site right under this video right here, guys. I gotta move to another room because my power is about to go dead. So you're gonna take this right here. This is a playlist, okay? And I wanna prove to you. You see here? I have over 1,400 followers. I know what you're thinking. Ooh la la, Wesley. Yeah, I love that. Okay? Now look here. Now look, check it out. Are you still with me? Are you still with me? Smash the like button, guys. All right, listen. So I have 1,400. All you need is 1,000. Okay, now this is what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna be cool about this. First step is to do this. First, this is my playlist here, okay? This is my Spotify. You're gonna create a playlist 2 different ways. You're gonna use what I already have here. I'm gonna put a description in the link below, right here, and create a free playlist right now based off my playlist. I teach people how to make millions of dollars. Some people, and it's called the Overnight Millionaire series. It's free, right? And it's how I became a multi-millionaire, close to becoming a billionaire here, okay? But that's not important. What's important is you need to click those links and create a playlist. Now listen, now this is how you get 1,400. Listen, look at me. If me and you work together, if you put your playlist link, this is important, put your playlist link in the comment section below, I'm going to follow you, and other people that are watching this video right now are going to follow you as well. Does that make sense? Listen, teamwork makes the dream work. It's not fair that certain people get rich and other people don't. So listen, I said, you know, I'm going to be honest with you, I was broke at one time, and now I'm making millions of dollars, and I found a way using this site for us to work together. So everybody that comment below, smash the like button if you're willing to follow everybody in the comment section below, and I will follow you too. This will take about 24 to 48 hours if we do it right. I'm gonna have over thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of people that would do this. Now listen, to ensure that we get more people faster, because understand this, as soon as you hit 1,000, they're gonna pay you out, okay? You're gonna start listening to a song, they're gonna pay you $12 every single time. That's $120 minimum a day if you listen to 10 songs a day. That takes about 30 minutes. So every 30 minutes, that's $120 in your bank account. But listen, we have to work together. Does that make sense? Are you down with that? Are you cool with that? So all you need to do, create a playlist. I left a link below if you need songs or if you need podcasts or content here. You can just add this to your playlist. You want to comment below, say, hey guys, follow me here. I'll say, Wes, follow me here. Everybody, listen, for this to work, guys, together, so you'll stop searching for make money online YouTube videos and actually start making a couple of dollars here. This is not meant for you to be rich, but $3,000 to $4,000 a month is nothing to sneeze at by listening to music. All you have to do is just follow everybody's link below. That's it. Okay, if we follow everybody, I'm gonna follow you. Everybody just say, hey guys, follow me. Much love. And say, hey, thank Wes for doing this. If everybody using my channel, I have over 100,000 subscribers here. There's no way why we all can collectively have 1,000 people that follow each other so we can all make this money. At least $3,000 to $4,000 a month. Is that cool? Deal. Now, if we want to really expedite the process, what I want you to do as well, share it to your Facebook page. Seriously. It's not for me, it's just for everybody. Like, share this video on your Facebook page, because understand, the more people that watch the video and actually like the video and follow the playlist, then the faster you hit 1,000. So when you apply, your account will look something like this. Let me show you something here. See right here? Boom, I already went through the steps here. See, continue with Spotify here. They're going to check your account to make sure you have 1,000. And then you're going to see something like this. I've already filled it out, so I'm already connected. They're going to review me. And once I review, I get a decision and I'm in. Does that make sense? I have several accounts, by the way. I do this over and over again because I have people like you that are willing to click those links below, create a playlist, and follow everybody in the comment section below. Just put your playlist and say, follow everybody, please follow me. Much love. Thanks, Wes. That's all you have to type. Everybody, please follow me and I'll follow you back. And we just go back and forth over and over again. And if you share this to your Facebook pages right now, if you just share this, then you have more people that's going to gravitate to the video. Then you'll find yourself not working a job anymore, right? Because $3,000 a month, how many of you would quit your job if you were making $3,000 a month by listening to music, listening to Drake, indie songs, right? And just reviewing them on a daily basis. It takes about 30 to 40 minutes. That's it. It's $120 a day. Like, you can make more, it's up to you. But all you need to do is take the playlist that you're gonna create on Spotify for free, put it in the comment section below. Teamwork makes the dream work, and everybody follows everybody, okay? If you continue to do this over and over again, then you will have 1,000, you'll get approved, and then you'll thank me and say, Wesley, you are the mother effing man. Much love. Hey guys, now listen, I got something I want to share with you. If anybody right now would like me to help them to make $1,000 per day in your sleep, and yes, it's very possible to do it. And as a matter of fact, I have this girl, okay? She's a very, very attractive young lady. And when you click that link, you're going to see her. She's from New York. She knew nothing about the internet, just like you, completely clueless. She's earning $100,000 per month. And in that link, she's going to show you exactly how she's doing. And she does it in her sleep. Warning, it's powerful, but it's not for everybody. Here's the link right here. Much love. But listen, guys, go back. Put your playlist in the comment section below. This is Wesley, $1 billion virgin. Much love. Let's go. Later, guys.